The possibilities of what to write about in your junk journal are endless. But I want to share with you my latest writing obsession in today's Junk Journal with Me episode. So pour your coffee or tea, gather the ephemera and paper bits that spark your creative energy, and collage with me. Manifestation has been on my mind a lot lately, and it has been showing up in all aspects of my journaling practices, from morning pages to planning and my collages. If you're not familiar with manifestation, it's a practice of using visualization to actualize your dreams and goals. There's a lot of information out there about how to incorporate manifestation into your daily routine, and some of the materials out there delve deeper into spiritual practices. If you're already down with manifestation, then you're already a step ahead and should consider incorporating that work within your art journals. I decided to do this collage in my catch-all journal, which is what I call notebooks that I use for daily journaling. I talk more about this style of notebook in a previous video that I will link in the cards and below in the description. For this prompt, I centered my collage around a coin envelope, which I will later tuck a manifestation into. I'm using 2 stickers from the Antiquarian sticker book. When working with opaque stickers like these, I like to stick them on a separate piece of paper first and then cut them out. This allows me the freedom to choose the best place for the images without having to commit to the placement because of the adhesive on the back. If you've seen other process videos of mine, then you know that I'm a fan of using envelopes in my journals. I like the experience of going back to an old journal entry and pulling out notes that I've hidden away. However, I think to get the most out of journaling with your manifestations, I would consider making multiple spreads to delve deep into the goals that you're working towards. I read somewhere that you want to make your manifestations feel like a memory. So if your goal is for a new house, include the name of the street that you will live on, the meals you will cook in your kitchen, the type of tomato plant you will grow in your backyard. Get as detailed as you want and accompany those details with images that solidify it. For text on this page, I included a quote about manifestations and also stamped out the word. Vellum and transparency paper is one of my favorites to use on journal spreads because of the layering effect. I'm not the best at hand lettering, and despite some of your comments, which I really appreciate, I don't think my handwriting is very pretty. However, Tombow pens can make just about anybody's penmanship look amazing. I'll make sure to link this pen in the description below if you'd like to give it a try. I hope you give this prompt a try. I'd love to know what are some of the things you're manifesting this year. I saw a funny tweet the other day that said 2021 is just 2020 with bangs. And although we're still dealing with the same issues from last year, I consistently remind myself that I can only control my actions and the little space that I create for myself to be free and imaginative. And as always, I will see you on Wednesday with some more bookmaking, journaling, and paper crafty projects for us to get into. All right, see you later. Bye.